In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty, and darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And then God said, "Let there be light." And there was light, and God saw that that light was good. He separated the light from the darkness. Hey, it's Dr. Tucker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I bring that story up. That passage is, what, 4 or 5 thousand years old, to share with you how modern science proves that 5,000-year-old statement. Something called biophotons. Now, biophotons have been theorized for over 100 years, and modern lab science allows us to find them. What that means is every chemical reaction is going to have leftover energy as a result. It takes energy for a reaction to occur. And so the universe is constantly, all the material in the universe is constantly looking for stability, a more stable state. And so things at a high energy state want to find a little bit more rest. And when they do that, they release energy. Now, matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So this energy will leave the process as heat, light, sound. So something along the electromagnetic spectrum. And so if it is on the electromagnetic spectrum, as everything in the universe is, we all are made of this type of energy. And so as that little vip of electromagnetic energy leaves a chemical reaction, you can see it, you can hear it, believe it or not, and there's heat evolved from it. Now, there have been some recent studies that the germination of seeds from plants will let out bits of light. You can take tissue culture and see bits of light as cells communicate with each other, and it's done so in a very organized way. Well, recently, there is an enormous spark of light at conception, thus proving this sentence from 5,000 years ago. God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. There's an amazing amount of energy that goes into the concept of mammalian reproduction or reproduction in general. But this is shown in humans. Human life can be witnessed at its conception through a flash of light. And I don't think that's a coincidence. I think God speaks, and I find that very fascinating. And you truly, as a light, are designed to shine it, and you have been set aside, my friend. So always do good in this world. Know that from the time you were conceived, God called it into being. All right, we'll see you guys next time.